a magic wand. Let me make a bucket of food up here since I'm hungry. Alakazam, abracadoo. Make Elsa make a bucket of food up here. Shh. Let me call my friend. Oh, friend! Let me go get her. I need to get on my glasses. I'm taking this with me. Oh, friend!
A usual day.
Oh, yeah! Come on, friend! FR! Ah! Hi! Ready to go? What? I made food up here, and I stole some money from my parents. So I'm going to hide it in my shirt. No, shirt pocket. Ready to go to the mall? Yeah! Let's go. Oh, yeah. First, let's go downstairs to the mall. Oh, she'll be so mad that I stole her money and I stole her food. Oh, my. Okay. Oh, my God. This is so a mess. I'm not going down here. Whatever. Yeah, let's come here. Let's go to our... Yeah. Let's come to the room. Oh, I know. Let's bounce on the bed. Yeah. Whoa. Wow. Ooh, what's this? Blue. Stop. Ooh, I'm going to eat some of these. I made a mess. What's in here? Oh my. Blue! Oh, Blue, I broke it! Oh my God. Blue, Mommy's gonna be mad. That wasn't my fault. It's an airplane that you did. Oh. I'm gonna put... You know you broke it! Wow. Oh. Let's do it! In your face, Mom! Ow! Did you see my fingers in there? That's not good. What else could we do that's... Oh, I know. Let's dump it. Hi. Let's pretend like we're bad babies, Daddy. Yeah. Let's go to the white room. Yeah. Stay here. Oh my God. We're like bad babies. Let's go make a mess. Yeah. No, let's not go down there. That's messy. Anya. Wait, we're going to pretend like we made it like that. Come on, let's come here. Oh my. Yeah. Make a letter. I want to make them disappear down the stairs. They're gone. What a mess. Oh my God, there's such a mess. I'm glad we made this mess because we deserve to make this mess. Yeah. Oh my. Oh, parents are so mean. Mom, we didn't do it. Parents are going to be so mad. We better hide. Yeah. Hurry, let's get in here. Hurry. I'll hide this laundry bag. I'll move the laundry. Let's pretend we're just doing it's partner buddies. You get on one, I get on the other. Let's do it.
Bad babies! What do you think you're doing?
We didn't make that mess.
Are you playing on my Escaladio blob? I will get you! But you first! Yeah! You stole my money!
Alakazam, make Mommy disappear.
Where'd she go? I'm out! Where did she go?
She's not here.
There you are.
Anya!
Time to track you down.
Mommy's disappearing forever.
Ha ha.
Mommy. No. Don't touch anything.
Guys, you're not allowed to be in there. Bad man. Guys, you are not allowed to be. Oh! And the chase is on. Wait, what did you do to the stairs? A ladder? Are you kidding me? What?
Be careful, you can't go through here.
Yeah, you can.
Where did they go? Are they in the kitchen? No. There they are. The bad babies. There's one of them.
Come on,
Back up the stairs. I'm getting tired. I'm tired, I tell you. Tired. Oh no.
Mommy. Alakazam, make mommy disappear forever.
Ha ha ha.
Alakazam, make mommy disappear forever.
Oh, where am I now? There you are. Ha ha.
Make mommy go to downstairs in the mess.
I'm being transported. Where? What? There's the angry mob of kids.
Make mommy disappear forever. Let's go downstairs again.
Forever.
Make mommy disappear downstairs to talk with the other grown-ups to tell how bad we are.
They have been very bad babies.
Well, take care of them.
We shall.
Make mommy disappear forever. Make mommy go downstairs.
What now? Oh, wait, I know my way around this room. Oh. Where is that other girl?
She's definitely not in here. Yeah.
Is she in there?
Nah. Not in the bathroom.
Where is that pest?
She didn't. Good night. Make mommy disappear forever. Make mommy disappear forever.
Whoa.
Make mommy disappear forever. Make mommy disappear forever. No, mommy. Mommy is such a crazy one. Ew, there's so many feet. Ew, ew. Yes. Ew, run away. Ew, run away. Run away, mommy.
Feel bad for the daddies when the girls.
I brought individually peeled Logia wrappers, either for tonight or tomorrow.
Oh Lord. On a bench. Olympia.
I have meat here, but I don't have vegetable. And there's just a few egg rolls left.
What are we
You
doing
can
for
bring
that?
vegetables tomorrow.
Alright. You gonna be around tomorrow then?
Ha
What?
I will.
Oh, well dang.
Well, it looks like that. Here's where you
Whoa! 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 Whoa!
What a mess. What a mess.
Whoa!
What a mess. Oh my. Make mommy disappear forever.
Oh! Wait, where am I? Ah!
Magic color bomb! Babies. We're not babies, so we have to go everywhere. Only stings a little. Ow! Only stings a little. Hold up. Bad babies, line up. Bad baby. Bad baby, hurry. We're your sisters. Hurry, bad baby. The blue is... We're almost done. We're done causing trouble. I don't want to cause any trouble. Let's go to sleep. Come on. We're going to go to sleep. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Oh, my. Let's go to bed before Mom knows. Hurry. He's coming. I saw him. Let's get in the bed. Hurry, get into the bed. Hi, Mom. We're just playing.
Aw, you guys are so behaved. Oh well, you guys deserve a treat. How about tomorrow we take you to Starbucks to get you lollipops?
Yay!
Well, good night.